Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another cooking it up video with your girl Velvet Locks. So today now I am in the middle of trying to figure out what to eat for lunch, where I came up with a wonderful delicious meal that I want to share with you today. Now this is very healthy, this is for weight loss, so all of you that are on your weight loss journey, this is the recipe that's going to help you stay on your weight loss journey. So what we're going to be making right now is some stuffed avocados, and I love this. Okay, this is really delicious. So what you're going to need is one whole avocado, because we're going to be using both sides. I'm hungry. We're also going to be using our limes. We're also going to be using, of course, our tuna fish, a 14.5 ounce can of tuna fish, preferably in water, not oil. Okay, but I like my vegetable oil. I'm sorry. We're also going to be using our cilantro leaves, and also our salt and pepper to taste. All right, and also some red bell peppers. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to slice open our avocado, and you're going to try to do this as evenly as possible because you don't want to be lopsided cutting the avocado and only having a very short part and then a big part. Like even this, it's okay, but all right, cut it in half, and of course we're going to take the pit out. Okay. So what you're going to do now is we're going to take our avocados and we're just going to scoop out all of the meat part of it, scoop it in a bowl, and put your shells on the side because we're going to be going back to that. Okay, and you're going to do the same for the other shell. Now after that, you're going to take your fork and you're going to mash up your avocado inside your bowl. And you're going to mash it until it's nice and creamy and smooth as possible. Now next we're going to cut our bell peppers. Alright, this has already been washed. So now I'm just going to cut it open and clean it out. You're just going to mince this up, dice it up real fine, as fine as possible. And for this recipe, we're just going to need 1/4 cup of our red peppers. And you're just going to throw that inside your avocado. Now we're going to take our lime, just going to squeeze that juice right inside your bowl. It's recommended that you use a tablespoon of lime. So I'm sure that'll be fine, just the way it is. Okay. Next, we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of our cilantro leaves. So you're going to throw that in there as well. Now this recipe also requires 1 jalapeno, or 1 tablespoon of jalapeno peppers, but I don't have any jalapenos, so just know that that's also available if you want it spicy, but it's not necessary. Now I'm going to take my tuna. If it's in water, you got to drain the can. Same as if it was, you know, with the oil. You gotta drain your can first. Now we're gonna sprinkle some black pepper for taste. And a little bit of our kosher salt also for taste. And we're gonna mix all of that in. It smells really good. Okay, so now we're going to get back to our avocado shells, and we're going to take our mash that we already mixed up, our little mishmash over here, and we're just going to put that back inside of our avocado shells. Alright you guys, so here we are with our stuffed avocados. It's a wonderful meal that you can have at any time. You could even have it with crackers if your appetite is that big, okay? So here we go right here. And bon appetit. Bye. Hey fam! Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.